So here's my Hunter Fan Dempsey low profile LED light. I absolutely love this thing. We have this in our guest bedroom, and as you can see here, this is on setting 1. So there are 3 settings for the fan. This is currently on 1, which gets a nice circulation through the room. Just press number 2 as you can see the LED light on the remote control itself. This cools the room down significantly faster, and then number 3 will literally cool the room down within seconds. So on those hot summer nights, I highly recommend getting this fan. It does an amazing job of really cooling down this 300 square foot room lightning fast.